to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International Kayne, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Mom! Me home!
Let's get into our hot topics.
For our first hot topic, IK, they say Brad Pitt is trying to stay sober and that he is spending this Christmas without his kids, so he's trying to get his life together. What are your
Brad,
thoughts?
pitiful child, first of all. Second, you need to take some words from the international book. Yes, it's been revised. It used to be called the Black Book,
That's
but now
right.
it's international. I've been talking about you since I was 7, Brad. And we're still talking about you. I'm 15 now. Brad,
15.
you're a whole child. Right now you need information because I'm an international actor. I'm a European and an American actor. You need to take some tips. Brad, all I can say is stay up, player. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, they say Khloe Kardashian is betrayed once again by Tristan Thompson. What are your thoughts, IK?
Thumbs down. Tristan Thompson, we have no comment on you. Right now, you're just being a wussy because we saw you in the comments saying, I don't know what to do. Tristan, thumbs down. We don't know what to call you. We're going to start calling you Tristan.
Trisket treats.
But Dr. Ross, we're going to move off of that to our next hot topic.
So we have Long Neck and Megan Fox. Long Neck, apparently, he says that he's always never had confidence with his hair. We'll put the photos right here, and now right here.
And you know, Dr. Ross, I was seeing this, and this just reminds me. You need the Jamaican shampoo.
That's right.
Because right now, Machine Gun Kelly, MGK, whatever you want to be called, you look like a buffoon.
That's
you know
right.
Eminem, Dr. Ross?
I do know Eminem.
He looks like Skittles. You need to stop with this. Because right now, you're just messing it up. You getting with Megan Fox, that was a whole feat in itself, but now you need to step up your game.
That's
You
right,
need some
because you
help.
can't have a hot vixen with everyone speaking behind your back, saying, who's that fool she keeps walking around with?
But I'm not done yet!
You need some help from IK and Dr. Ross from the International Book.
Because just like IK said, the Jamaican shampoo changes lives. We're telling you right now, Machine Gun Kelly, this is not a hoax, this is not witchcraft. Although we will put a curse on you, but it changes lives.
That's
As you
right.
can see by IK and I's hair, maybe you need some too.
The proof is in the pudding. But you know what? MGK, we're going to give you a 2-for-1 discount. We're going to give you the stamp of approval. A stamp in your
Right in
forehead.
your forehead.
I like it cut, G.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
Beyonce, the queen bee, is back at it again. Thicker than ever. IK, I think she's put in some extra fat. What do you think, IK?
You know, even though she's put in some fat, it's still not as much as Mariah Carey. We're going to put in the clip right here.
Be honest with me, when was the last time you were at a McDonald's? What's your order? What's your...
He raised like 2,000 pounds of celery.
Her butt, it got bigger. It just broke your perfect attendance award.
So, I could just make another one.
Mariah Carey has just fully done it. And Beyonce, Queen Bee, all I can say is just keep on making music.
I can't sit here and listen to you goofy niggas anymore!
We'd love to be in your next album. But
That's
Beyonce, you look like you put on some Christmas fat. Don't eat too many honey hams.
That's right.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
So speaking about the Christmas fat, we want to go ahead and go to Kim Kardashian. So Kim, we've noticed a trend, IK and I, after doing the Rose and Gold for so long, we've noticed a trend. So first, we have Kim with the diabetes Pete Davidson.
Piss it, Pete.
That's right. We have Courtney. Now we know why Courtney's with who she's with, because she's
Finally getting a little bit of attention, a little bit of love, but...
she's lonely.
Exactly.
And Megan Fox, Megan, for a time you were the most scandalous out of Hollywood, and you grabbed the guy who works at the car wash. You know everyone is talking behind all three of you ladies' backs, probably not Courtney's, but everyone is talking behind you guys' backs, and you know exactly why.
I don't like where this is going.
I know it's become a competition of who can get the worst loser, but
You know, it's right, Dr. Ross, but it's gotten so crazy to a point where I'm just... Damn!
Baffled.
I'm baffled, Dr. Ross, because with all three of these jamokes, it's making me look like the best there ever lived. You know, Dr. Ross, I'm gonna have to break even with this one. I'm gonna have to come back to Hollywood and get all three. 3 is enough for me.
Because they're broken.
That's right, Dr. Ross.
That's
3
right.
makes 1 for the king.
Tell him to bring me my money.
And, you know, IK has a motto.
Preach.
And IK told me one time that sometimes he has to lower his standards.
That's right.
And,
You know, for Kim, for Megan, and for Courtney, I'll be willing to lower my standards. Because, you know, Dr. Ross, everyone I come in contact with, you know what, to tell a story, I once touched a man's car, and his car, he said it never ran better. He doesn't even have to put gas in anymore. But that's off the topic. I'm just fucking with bitches. But I'll be willing to lower my standards. And for Kanye, we all know that Kim just passed the baby bar. Kanye, you might be the one driving the Honda in this situation, saying that you ain't messing with no broke bitches.
What's up, guys? My name's Robert Lovely. Today I'm going to show you my 92 Honda Civic with VTEC and Doge.
Because Kanye, all the child support is going to be drained right out of you. Kanye, stay up, player. And for Dr. Dre, I heard some wise words from a man called Snoop D-O-W-G. He said, keep on playing. But stay up, player. Dr. Dre, you know don't go for no more gold diggers.
that's right.
Maybe,
And this
maybe
Christmas,
keep on listening to your music on those beats by Dre.
exactly. And this Christmas, IK and I will be coming down the chimney.
That's right.
That's
Taking
right.
care of your babies. I have to be Santa Claus. That's for you. I'm faithful to all y'all bitches. Let's get into our next hot topic.
We have the 3 scandalous bitches on the road. We have Miss Jessica Chastain, Miss Christina Aguilera, and then Miss Chrissy Teigen. Scandalous as ever. What are your thoughts, IK? John Legend really needs to stop going on The Voice, and he needs to come home and see what his wife is doing.
You're right,
Tame
Dr.
her,
Ross.
basically.
She looks like she was just out on the stroll. She's gonna run away with the shoe salesman.
She's too happy.
But you know what, Dr. Ross, this reminds me of a topic on the Bible that just came to my mind with the pretty Miss Paris Hilton. She has a brand new fragrance, Platinum Rush, and Dr. Ross, I'm all for it. I'm gonna buy a bottle and give it to a lot of young, pretty ladies. But with Miss Paris Hilton, I heard you were married. That's gonna change soon when IK comes around. Because once I come around, you're gonna be changing your last name to IK.
That's
You're gonna
right.
be throwing rocks at that nigga you were with last.
And you know what? Just to close off these hot topics, because we know Paris Hilton loves the chocolate figures.
I'm
She
a
doesn't
big
want to
black
admit it.
nigga with big black fists.
That's right, but she doesn't want to admit it, but she knows she does. So to close off these hot topics, IK, I have one last very short topic to mention. And we hear Pete Davidson wants to be underneath the Christmas tree instead of getting a lung transfer. And I have one thing to say. There was wise words from Snoop Dogg one day when he said, this week actually, he said, I wonder if that bitch ever got out the way for Ludacris. That's all we have to say. Let's close it off, IK.
These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. We out. 2022 is your year. Rose and Gold. We out.